Candy Glam. I am back with yet another video, and if you can't tell by the title below, it's on this beautiful wig I am wearing right now. So if you're interested, stay tuned, listen, I got more to say. Okay, so I figured with this video I would get straight to the point because I have now at this point reviewed Aisi Queen's wigs, I believe, quite a few times now. I think this will be either my third or fourth review. They did send me this beautiful wig, and I can definitely tell you by far my favorite wig that I've ever tried from their company so far. The curls are so soft, so fluffy looking. So far no tangles, and something about black on me just makes me feel so classy, so pretty, so well put together. I can tell that eventually I will get some tangles, especially the longer wigs that are curly or have any type of bump to it. See, I'm already getting a tangle there. But you guys, this wig is synthetic, so you're gonna get tangles, you're gonna get shedding. As you can tell, I might put it over here. I tried this wig on just to let you see how it was out the box. The parting, of course, was smaller than this. I did hand pluck it. I didn't want to show you guys that because I've shown you 1,000 times, but if you do want to see it, I will link other videos that I've done down below. But this wig is beautiful, and you can't beat the price. I do believe I checked the price today earlier and it was $39.99. If by the time I put this video up it's different, I will post that down below as well. The link also to this will be down below. Again, this company is Aisi Queens, and again, I may not be saying it right. The hair did come with 2 wig caps, so I am actually wearing one that came, and then a thank you card. That's all that came in the box. This hair, I am again, I think 5'2", 5'3". I don't know what you're seeing here because I don't want to show any belly. But I am 5'2", 5'2 and a half. So as you can tell, I don't want y'all to see how thickish I am. But my hair is coming to about my hip. So it's pretty long, you guys. I would say this is definitely, let me just see. It's definitely touching my tailbone. I am 5'2", so I would definitely say this is like 28, 26 inches. Yeah, I don't have anything much bad. Okay, I don't have anything bad to say about this wig. It does come with 2 combs on the side, and you guys, I tend to like my combs to be closer towards the middle because I feel more secure when they're closer to the middle, but these are not. They are all the way over here on the side. It does come with a comb in the back and a drawstring also to make it tighter for my small-headed friend. You know, my small-head friends, okay? I'm a big-head one. You guys, this is by far my favorite one. I don't know if it's because it's black and just pretty. I tend to like the black on me. I used to be all about the color, but black just looks so clean, classy, and just sharp. And I just love how it sits on my head and forms around my head. And y'all, the curls. This is like definitely a body curl, and I love it. When you do put it on, try and keep your hands out of it. I know you see me doing it, but keep your hands out of it. That will keep the curls longer, especially because it's synthetic. I always try and take care of the synthetic ones. All your wigs take care of, but definitely try and take care of your synthetic ones because they do wear away easy. Most synthetic wigs, you'll get about 3-4 wears out of it if you take care of it. But if you're looking for a cute hairstyle, yeah. So all I did with my parting is I hand plucked it like I always do. I part it and I literally just take 1 strand at a time. It takes a while, but I like it better that way. And then you just put your favorite concealer or powder, foundation powder, the same color of your skin down the line, so that it can fit better. But I wanted to make this video quick because I know a lot of you guys say my videos are kind of, you know, long. So I wanted to get to the point so I can keep you guys interested. But if you want to hear more about or if I left anything out, I should say, just comment down below. Guys, please follow me. I don't want to sound like I'm begging, but if you want to see more of these type of videos, I also am going to get into fashion. I'm going to start doing hauls. I am a midi size, so I think more people need to see that. I'm not a skinny stick here. So I will start doing fashion and bringing that on here. But if you guys want to see more of these type videos, more Vigs, or more wigs that you want to see, or something you want me to try, or a company you want me to try, just comment down below. If you've tried this wig, let me know. If you had any issues with them, let me know. Because I want to make sure that they're not sending me the best wigs and then sending you guys horrible ones. So let me know how you guys do with this wig if you get it, or if you've seen a similar wig for cheaper, let me know and I'll try that. But yeah, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I've got to say that. If I don't advocate for myself, who else will? Oh, and share it. That's how I'm gonna get out. But yeah, hope you like this video. This is your girl Candy Lamb. Bye.